y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in all 4 of my Jeffree Star mystery boxes, as well as a giveaway. So if you are into these types of videos for me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So let's go ahead and start with the mini box here. Voila, mini box. Let's see what I got. Okay, I got the Shane Dawson collection velour lip scrub in Diet Root Beer. I got the lip gloss in Beaded Glass, and then I got the liquid lipstick in Jeffree What the F. And here is the lip gloss. Cute. Okay, here's the deluxe box. Voila. Okay. Okay, so in here we got the Jeffree Star beanie. We got the purple straws. I got the liquid lipstick in Can't Relate. The lip gloss in Candy Drip. And then the Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. Here we have the premium, or maybe this was the deluxe. I can't remember. This is the premium, I think. Yeah. No, this was the deluxe. You know what? It's the pink box. So we have the shirt, the pig bundle. This is like rattling around. Yeah, none of the shades are in the box. Okay, let me just put them back. I don't even know which goes where. Okay, they're back in the box. Cute, love that. Okay. Then we got the Velvet Trap in Malibu Beach House, which I think is that like really light pink color, if I remember correctly. Oh yeah, actually this is pretty, and I think that I will definitely get use out of this because I do love purple lipstick. So I'm actually pretty excited to try this. I haven't tried a Velvet Trap yet, so excited. And then we got Unicorn Blood, Scorpio lip liner, and Tabletop in the gloss. I don't know what this shade looks like. Oh, that's a really, really pretty shade. Boom, boom. Okay. And then we got the Orgy palette. And then for the biggest box, let's see what we got in here. I'm really curious to see which hoodie color I got. Like, I'm not like wanting a particular color because I like both of them. So honestly, it's gonna be a surprise. Ooh. Okay, so I got, good lord, I got the pink marbled bag, which is so cute. Look at the little ornament. You guys are hating, but like, I think this little thing is so cute. I got body counts in the lip gloss here. I'll open that in a sec. I got the pink hoodie, which I'm actually really excited about. Yes, love that. And then we got Peach Goddess in the Skin Frost. We got the translucent setting powder, which I'm really excited about. The Blue Raspberry Sucker lip scrub, which I currently have that one in my shower. We have the lip bundle here. All the shades. Love that. Cremated palette, which I love that palette. And then the mirror we got in Black Marble. I thought this one was so cute. Hold on. Yes, this one is the cutest. I'm so excited about this mirror. Love it, love it, love it. Yay. Okay, I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited. Okay, really quick, I'm going to figure out what I'm going to put in the giveaway, and I will be right back. Okay, I've decided what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to give away, so I'm going to show you really quick everything that I'm keeping, and then I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to be doing for the giveaway. So I'm going to keep the translucent setting powder because I've always wanted to try it, so now I have it, and I'm curious to see what this smells like because, you know, it's supposed to smell like cotton candy, but, you know, it says open and close. Okay. It definitely has a light scent, so yeah, okay, cool. I just wanted to smell it. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the setting powder, cool. I'm gonna keep the lip bundle. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, if I'm gonna like actually keep it, but for now I'm gonna keep the lip bundle. I am going to keep the Orgy palette, so let me open it up and make sure that it's not like broken. I know I reviewed this, oh, I hope it's not. Look, it's It's got a dent on the side of the packaging. If it's broke, I'm gonna cry my eyes out. Okay, we're good. Not broken. Haha, yes, great. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this because I don't have it anymore. Then I'm going to keep this. Again, I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but for now, I'm going to keep it. And then I'm going to keep this because I got rid of it. I tried it. I wasn't like into it, but I want to retry it. I told you guys I was going to retry this palette, so that's what I'm going to do. Let's make sure it's not broken. All good. It's been a while since I've seen this palette. Okay. I'm going to keep this lipstick because I do like purple, and I want to swatch it for you guys because I'm interested to see what it looks like on the skin. Yeah, it's a very, very beautiful light purple color. And I do like lipstick that is purple, so I have a feeling I'm really going to like this color. Okay. And then I'm going to obviously keep the beanie because it's cute. It actually feels really soft and really nice, so the quality on this baby is actually pretty good. I'm gonna keep the shirt, obviously. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna keep the hoodie, obviously. The hoodie doesn't have a star on the back. I was curious about that. So yeah, here's the hoodie. I'm going to keep the Skin Frost in Peach Goddess. I'm going to keep the root beer lip scrub because obviously I want to try it. I don't know why I keep saying obviously so much. It smells really, really good. Okay, excited about this. And then I'm going to keep all three of the glosses here in the shades Tabletop, Body Count, and Beaded Glass because they're obviously, why do I keep saying obviously? They're honestly shades that I know I'm going to get lots of use out of, so I'm going to keep all three of these. Now let's talk about what I am going to be giving away. Now I thought I was going to have like multiple winners, but I'm actually keeping more than I thought I was going to keep, so I'm just going to do one winner, but it's some good stuff. So, oh, obviously I'm going to keep the mirror, but yeah, I'm going to give away the cremated palette. I'm going to open it with you really quickly in just a sec to see if it's broken, because obviously you don't want to give it away. And there I go, using that word again. I'm going to give away the purple straws, the lip gloss in Candy Drip, the raspberry, the blue raspberry sucker scrub, the Jeffree What the F liquid lipstick, the Unicorn Blood liquid lipstick, the Can't Relate liquid lipstick, which is one of my favorites. I have it in a full size, and the Scorpio lip liner. So that's everything that I'm giving away. Oh yeah, and I'm going to give away this makeup bag too, because I don't need a makeup bag, so that's everything going in the giveaway. Let me open up this palette and see if everything is okay inside, because we don't want it to be broken. I personally really like this palette, so all is good inside. Nothing is broken. So yeah, I'm excited. You guys know the drill on the giveaway. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel, comment down below, and leave your Twitter or Instagram handle or email so I can contact you if you are the lucky winner. And then there's going to be other ways that you can enter to win. You can either follow me on Instagram and like the giveaway photo and leave a comment. Leaving the comment will, I'll be able to put the link of Instagram on a comment picker and pick somebody in the comment section there. So leave a comment on that photo, and then Twitter, all you have to do is retweet the giveaway post. Hit retweet. You don't have to say anything. Just whoever retweets, I can put that in a comment picker and pick a winner there. So, yeah, be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Comment down below. Leave your handle. And then bonus entries, Instagram and Twitter. I'll have all that information down below. This will be an international giveaway, just so you guys know. There is a lot of stuff here, so it's not like I'm sending one item all the way, you know, to Timbuktu. So for me, this is worth it. So this is an international giveaway, and the giveaway will end 3 weeks from today. I'll have all that information down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Thank you for watching all the spoilers, and I cannot wait to film some more videos. But anyways, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!